everybody, and welcome to my first ever unboxing video. And I really hope we both have fun. I'm being joined by a special guest, my pa. Say hello.
Hello.
This is so exciting. So we went to the shops. So me, my mom, and my grandma all went to the shops, bought a bunch of wacky and amazing items that I've wanted for a while, and I thought I'd share it with you.
Wow.
So Pa, why don't you pick one item out of all of these and we'll start. I think we should start with this.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
I choose that one.
Okay. So this is the new Treasure X Aliens that I actually found from Casey's Toys.
Oh, wow.
So
Okay.
I think... Oh, that's hot. And yeah, that's oddly easy. Okay, I think we need... Okay, yeah. So you open that, and while my papa is opening that, I will have a question for you all. If you can all spot the two hidden Lion King Ushis in this video, you will get a shout out in my next video that I will be doing. So
It's going to be wonderful.
make sure you look out for two special Lion King Ushis. Are you
I don't want to
okay?
kill this, but I need a knife. Or
Okay.
something.
I will be
Stop the
getting
video.
a butter knife. For a second.
Stop the video.
Mom, it's the two lines.
I didn't have to do anything. Pa said stop the video and the video stopped.
Wait, did you really just... What did you do?
I just said.
He said stop the video and the whole thing shut down on me.
Oh, really? Oh, no, you're still recording.
Oh, that was weird. But the screen itself just closed down.
Oh.
There you go, there's your butter knife.
Couldn't you get a sharper knife?
I didn't want you to hurt yourself.
Oh, come on. I'm a big boy.
Do you want to... The bag is like destroying
yeah.
the view.
I will be opening these at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that.
No. I need a knife.
Okay.
Knife.
I will be back once again.
Stop the video.
No, don't